AI note takers are everywhere these days, but it can still feel really weird when a random bot pops up in a meeting link you sent. It happens to everyone during important talks with customers or quick chats with coworkers, where having an extra digital person on screen just ruins the whole mood. Fortunately, Fellow is fixing this problem completely with a way to record meetings without any visible bots on Windows and Mac computers. We are going to look at how this safe and private attempt of Fellow lets you keep track of every word quietly in the background, so you don't have to worry about annoying bots messing up your regular online calls. Now, to really understand why this really matters for your daily operations, we have to look closely at the fundamental issues that traditional recording bots bring to the table. For starters, external clients, vendor partners, or new job candidates often feel incredibly uncomfortable or even defensive when they see a bot pop into the meeting window. They don't know who owns that bot, where the recorded data is being sent, or how their voice files are going to be utilized down the line, which hurts trust right out of the gate. A lot of security-conscious organizations, particularly in the financial, legal, and healthcare industries, have strict platform policies that block external bots from entering their Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet rooms altogether. This means if we rely solely on bot-based software, we are frequently blocked from capturing critical project details during our most important external business discussions. That unmanaged approach is an absolute nightmare from corporate data compliance, because those random audio files end up scattered across various personal hard drives where they are completely siloed, unsearchable, and outside the company's security controls. Fortunately, this is exactly where Fellow's bot-free recording system steps in to give us the perfect balance between user convenience and corporate compliance. Instead of forcing us to choose between an intrusive visible bot or a risky unauthorized background recorder, Fellow brings a dual capture framework that operates seamlessly under a single centralized governance model. By using the official Fellow desktop app on a Mac or Windows computer, we can now capture crystal clear meeting audio directly at the local operating system level. Because the processing happens right through our own desktop setup, rather than inviting an external server into the web conference call, there's absolutely no bot present in the participant list to distract our guests. Our external clients and customers can enjoy a completely natural, uninterrupted conversation without ever seeing an annoying visual entity or getting hit by automated third-party platform notifications. Meanwhile, the system keeps things completely transparent for our internal team members, because any employee logged into our shared workspace can see a clear recording status indicator right inside the app panel. That means we get all the benefits of powerful AI documentation without compromising on privacy, and everything remains fully tied to our main company profile. Best of all, Fellow ensures that this botless data is handled with top-tier security protections, maintaining full compliance with SOC 2 Type 2, HIPAA, GDPR, and CCPA standards. This means our enterprise administrators can sleep easy, knowing that every piece of recorded audio is properly governed, encrypted, and accessible only to verified stakeholders. When it comes to actually using this feature on a daily basis, the exact step-by-step workflow inside the application is beautifully simple and designed to keep us focused on the conversation. First, all we need to do is jump into our standard meeting environment, whether we're using a major platform like Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet, or even hosting a spontaneous local audio call on our computer. Next, we just bring up the Fellow desktop app side panel, and because the platform features a highly context-aware architecture, it will automatically look at our current calendar events and active windows. From there, we simply select the option to record without a bot, which immediately engages the device-level audio capture system without altering the video layout or injecting any new users into the digital room. While the meeting is actively running in the background, Fellow tracks the audio stream with incredible precision, separating different speakers and capturing the nuanced context of our discussion seamlessly. Additionally, the desktop interface gives us total real-time control over the entire capture process with a prominent user-friendly pause and resume button. If our conversation shifts toward highly sensitive topics, personal personnel matters, or off-the-record brainstorming, we can hit pause instantly, and that specific segment won't be captured in the recording. Once our session naturally wraps up and we hit the stop button, Fellows' automated system takes over, generating a highly accurate transcript, a structured summary of core topics, and a clean list of assigned action items within just a few minutes. Looking at this from a practical workflow standpoint, having access to a reliable device-level capture mode opens up a wide variety of incredibly valuable use cases that older cloud bots could never handle. For instance, think about all those spontaneous, ad hoc discussions that happen throughout a normal work week, like jumping into a sudden Slack huddle or having a quick, casual catch-up that never had an official calendar invite. Because Fellows botless mode doesn't require a formal conferencing link or pre-scheduled invite to work, we can start recording instantly right from our desktop whenever important decisions start happening on the fly. It also serves as the absolute ideal solution for high-stakes human resources interviews, sensitive contract renegotiations, or private legal consultations, where a sterile, distraction-free environment is mandatory for success. Furthermore, this feature is a massive win for hybrid teams because a single person sitting in a physical boardroom can run the desktop app to cleanly capture face-to-face voices without needing a bunch of complex room hardware. Ultimately, this flexibility allows different branches of our organization, from sales and product development to leadership and compliance teams, to gather high-quality AI insights while staying perfectly aligned with their specific data restrictions. So far, we believe that Fellow has truly cracked the code by giving teams that care about security and compliance a flexible, secure, and completely non-intrusive way to manage modern company documentation. We no longer have to deal with the constant friction of awkward meeting bots or worry about the security vulnerabilities of unmanaged local recording tools. If you're ready to completely transform your meeting efficiency and experience secure, bot-free AI notes for yourself, we highly encourage you to take action today. You can check out the official links down in the description box below to download the latest desktop app for Mac or Windows and immediately unlock your 14-day free trial of their pro features. Turn your everyday discussions into organized, searchable knowledge assets without making your next meeting weird. Let us know how it works out for your team in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.